All right, guys. So this was on sale at the grocery store. This is Havoc, and this is Braiser Bulgogi Blaze. So I only picked it up because it was an interesting flavor, and check this out. It looks really spicy though. So here's the ingredients. Here's the nutrient panel. Here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. It does have colorings in here, so be aware of that. And let's just see if this is actually any good. Okay, so there it is. Because I don't know if you guys noticed, bags of chips are really expensive. So this was actually on sale. So it was like $2. And there it is. Let's try that. Okay, so it has a sweet and a very spicy. It's actually really hot. Bulgogi taste. So it's subtly sweet, slightly salty, and like a soy type of taste, and then the spice hits you like right after. So, ooh, I don't think I could eat these as a thing, but they're actually quite spicy. All right, guys, see more videos and subscribe to the channel.